And now Asuka on the move. Oh, caught the hip attack on
Come on,
Sasha Banks. Bailey.
Who falls for this?
What was that noise?
Who falls for it?
Oh, and the Meteora didn't get all of it, but off of the apron.
She got enough of it, Tom. Trust me.
Tosses Asuka back inside the ring, trying to win this champions versus challengers matchup. Oh, kick out.
Bailey, was that
It's
necessary?
okay. Dude, I didn't really think she was going to fall for this. Who falls for that? That's like a 4-year-old thing.
Yeah, Byron, who falls for that?
Oh, my God.
And now Sasha Banks able to take over. And Bailey, we should ask you about your own title defense you have coming up at Extreme Rules against Nikki Cross. What did you think about Cross's victory last Friday?
Yeah, I mean, it was a cheap shot because she was behind Lacey Evans, came from behind, whatever. This is not SmackDown, this is Raw. And I'm watching my best friend dominate the champion.
Cover! Oh, and a kick out by Asuka. From the top! Oh, and the champion brings down Ziggler.
All the moxie, all the confidence in the world right there in the WWE champion.
Let's tag Sasha back in. We're tag team champions for a reason.
Now Drew McIntyre, his former tag team championship partner in Ziggler, looking for the future shock DDT.
Get out of it.
Up we go.
Oh, went for another
Again.
DDT counter.
He blocked it.
Whoa, look at the strength. Oh, and
There we go.
made by Sasha Banks, but that won't save Ziggler in that moment.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, get
I
her.
don't care if you're the champion. I'm the champ too. I run this place. I'm the legit boss.
Oh, my God.
One last
If he lays a hand on her, I will rock him.
Sasha has a word about that. Remember, Sasha tagged herself in there. Asuka is legal.
Take it, Drew!
Asuka with a kick.
Kick out, kick out, kick out!
Oh, and a kick out by Banks.
And how did she?
Going for the Asuka lock. Now the cover by Banks. Oh, and a kick out by Asuka. Went for the kick
Look at
again.
this.
Now Sasha. Kick out.
That's my girl.
It is hook
That's my
reality.
girl.
And she is turning her away from the ropes. She is keeping her from finding any way out. Oh, look at Asuka's breaking it.
Asuka broke out of the Banks statement.
She didn't break out of it.
A beautiful flying armbar. And right into it. No, she transitions. Asuka lock. No.
There you go.
Cover. Cover.
There you go. You suck.
Here are your winners, Dolph Ziggler and Sasha Banks.
Sasha Banks pins the Raw Women's Champion Asuka tonight.
An amazing sequence.
What do you want?